Hello and welcome to Master Auto Reviews. There are plenty of Model Y versus Mustang Mach-E video comparisons already available on YouTube. This one aims to be just a simple side-by-side spec comparison of the most affordable versions of the two vehicles. So stay tuned and relax for the next couple of minutes. The Model Y is sure to become one of the best-selling EVs around the world, and the standard range, the most affordable offer, will surely help round the overall sales numbers with its MSRP price in the US of just below $42,000. Ford is betting a lot on the Mustang Mach-E, its first vehicle built from the ground up as an EV. With some deliveries made in 2020, it is expected that Ford will significantly ramp up production in 2021, and also make the most affordable rear-wheel drive select version available at an MSRP price of $42,900 in the US. Now let's jump straight to the comparison. Weight and size. The Model Y is a 4 cm longer, 4 cm wider and 2.7 cm taller vehicle than the Mustang Mach-E, which on the other side has a 8 cm longer wheelbase. This is a huge difference. The Model Y has a roughly 25% larger estimated trunk volume and a 2.2 cm higher ground clearance. The Mach-E rear-wheel drive with the standard range battery pack is 215 kg heavier than the Model Y standard range. Since towing capacity is an important parameter for an SUV, at least in the US, I added it to the comparison. The Mach-E can barely tow something with a towing capacity of 750 kg, while the Model Y standard range is much more capable in this regard, with 1588 kg of towing capacity. This is starting to become annoying. I have yet to make a comparison where the Model Y is heavier than the competitor. Battery and charging. The official battery capacity of the Model Y standard range was not disclosed by Tesla, though it is estimated that its net battery capacity falls somewhere between 55 and 60 kWh. The net battery capacity of the Mustang Mach-E rear-wheel drive select is 68 kWh with a whopping 8 kWh of battery buffer on top according to the official Ford data. These are the numbers for the standard range battery option. A bigger battery can be specified on the Mach-E with a net capacity of 88 kWh, but not on the entry-level select trim. Both vehicles use a 400 volts propulsion system. The Mach-E can charge with up to 7.4 kW on a 230 volts AC outlet and can go up to 11 kW on a 400 volt AC outlet, while the Model Y can go even higher, up to 22 kW on a 400 volt AC outlet. There is no competition when it comes to DC charging. The Model Y can charge with a maximum power of 250 kW, while the rear-wheel drive Mach-E with a smaller battery option can only do 115 kW. A CCS connector is used by both vehicles. The Model Y can charge up with an estimated 540 km of range after 30 minutes of fast DC charging, while the Mach-E with a smaller battery pack can add 252 km of range in the same time frame. Again, nothing can beat the Model Y when it comes to charging speed and flexibility. Performance and efficiency. The rear-wheel drive small battery pack Mach-E produces a maximum power of 190 kW or 258 horsepower. Unfortunately, Tesla did not disclose the power numbers of the standard range Model Y. Same story when it comes to torque. No data from Tesla, while the Mach-E pulls with a maximum of 415 Nm. There is a big difference between the two when it comes to maximum speed. The Model Y can travel with the maximum speed of 217 km per hour or 135 miles per hour, while the Mach-E can only do 180 km per hour or 112 miles per hour. The 0 to 100 acceleration of 5.3 seconds of the Model Y is significantly better than the 6.9 seconds of the Mach-E. With a drag coefficient of 0.23, the Model Y is extremely aerodynamic, while the estimated 0.29 of the Mach-E is nothing to brag about. According to the EPA, the Model Y can travel up to 393 km or 244 miles on a single charge, while the Mach-E rear-wheel drive with a smaller battery has a range of 370 km. The average energy consumption of the Model Y is 17.5 kWh per 100 km or 28 kWh per 100 miles. The Mach-E is less efficient, needing 21 kWh per 100 km or 34 kWh per 100 miles. So the entry-level Model Y is faster, more efficient and has a slightly higher range than the entry-level Mach-E. So, ready to place your bets? Will the Mach-E be able to sell better than the Model Y in the US? For they still eligible for the $7,500 USD federal tax incentive. If nothing else, this should count. Plus, I believe the Mach-E is also a better looking car. But let me know what you think using the comment section below.